Hi, this process is called vendor invoice entry. Vendor invoice entry is the process we will run after goods receipt approval. And once we get invoice from vendor, we will check whether we have received goods or not. And we will check whether the goods receipt is approved or not. So once goods receipt approval is happened, and when we get the invoice from vendor, we will run this process to record the invoice entry in our system. So the two reconciliation, one goods receipt reconciliation, price reconciliation, we will do at the time of vendor invoice entry. So here we will select vendor first. So after that, we can see how many approved goods receipt is there under this drop down. So we will select the approved goods receipt. We can go for multiple also if there is any multiple purchase order or multiple goods receipt associated with a single invoice. Otherwise, we will select only the particular goods receipt as per the invoice. So we will select the reference and we will be able to see all the information. And here we will update the invoice number which is given by the vendor in their invoice. And if there is any reference for that particular invoice, we can update here. Usually it will be there in the vendor invoice. And we will select the invoice date. And here again, suppose at the time of goods receipt, we given one price, but at the time of invoice receipt, if it is a different price, then we will get an imbalance in the GRIR account. We can do a reconciliation. Otherwise, we will update the price as per invoice. And we will select this product. So this is the, and here we will be able to upload the invoice copy given by the vendor. So which will be helpful for future reconciliation. Suppose if in case if you are wrongly updated any amount or something, we can download this invoice and see whether it is correct or not in the later point of time. Or if we do a GRIR reconciliation, in case if you are getting any difference, we will be able to cross verify with invoice. So these are the information we will update and we will complete this particular vendor invoice entry. So at the time of vendor invoice entry, what will happen? At the time of GR approval, we posted one entry into a GRIR clearing account. And the clearing account we will clear at the time of vendor invoice entry. So this is our journal entry at the time of vendor invoice. So here we are booking VAT discount, and this is the credit entry for accounts receivable, and this is the GRIR clearing account. So there is already one credit impact happened at the time of goods receipt approval, and there is a debit entry impact happen at the time of vendor invoice entry. So this is the journal for vendor invoice, and this is the ledger record for vendor invoice entry. So this process is vendor invoice entry. It is coming after goods receipt approval. Thank you.